Hi guys, welcome back to DaveJohnson.online, and I am Dave Johnson. I'm just going back to the software from the other day that I told you about for posting on Facebook pages and groups and things like that and getting Facebook likes, all automatic. If you missed it, just go back into my channel and have a look for that video. It's only about 3 or 4 minutes long. It's free software that you can use to auto post for as long into the future as you like, and it stops you from getting Facebook bans if you post too often and things like that. Very good material to use, very safe, and it doesn't cost you a penny. If you want to upgrade, there is an upgrade after, so you can use it on Twitter and LinkedIn and Pinterest and things like that. But I'm not sure how long it's going to be free for, but take advantage of it if you can. Anyway, that just led me to think not everybody knows what they're doing with Facebook, so I thought I'll just knock a couple of groups up so that you can sign up to them. Well, you don't have to sign up, you just have to click on them and I'll accept you. And you can come and practice posting your links on here for nothing, And then once you get familiar with it, there's a couple of groups here. Look, once you get familiar with what you're doing, then you can go on and find other groups, because there's loads out there, and you can just keep posting your links away till your heart's content. Go and get a practice on my groups. I've also knocked a couple of pages up as well. This one's actually got my webinar. You can book slots there. That won't cost you a penny either. Just click on there, make an appointment, and we'll get you on the webinar for free training and for affiliate marketing. And it's full of jam-packed information that you can take away. It don't cost you a penny. You just sign up to the webinar and wait for it to start and sit down and listen. Free information, it's the best, guys. Take it from me. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel straight after this video. Give it a ping. I'll drop you the links off underneath the video as well for the 2 groups and the couple of pages that I've created, so you can practice away, get posting, get good. Let's start making money together, guys. Okay, that's it for today. So that's Dave Johnson online signing off. Take care, guys.